Hello friends, I'm super excited to tell you about the new types of henna, so please subscribe to my channel and watch till the end for more informations. So first I'm going to show you what are the types of henna, and the first one is the Indian henna, and it is the basic one, and it mainly comprises of all those domes, peacocks, brides, grooms, figure works, etc. And the next one is Arbequina. Arbequina mainly originated in the Middle East region or the Gulf region, and it comprises mostly of all those flowers, vines, dots, bold lines, etc. And the next one is the Moroccan henna, and the Moroccan henna mainly comprises of all the tribal works like the lines and shapes we see in the tribal forms and all. And the next one is no doubt it's the African henna. You may be not familiar with this, but it has a history of almost 1,000 years. And the next one is the Indo-Western henna. It comprises mainly of the Indian style and the Western style of henna. The next type of henna is called white henna. White henna is actually a white body paint, and it is waterproof and may last up to 1 to 7 days, but it is not that famous around India, but it is famous around the world, and it is becoming a trend among the brides of Malaysia and Singapore, and it is a bit costly in India. And the next kind of henna is called the candle henna. Candle henna is actually a decorative item, and it is made by almost all the artists, and it also contains glitters, glitter beads, etc. along with the adhesive material, and it is applied using henna cones. The next one is the glitter henna. Glitter henna also contains glitter, that is loose glitters, and it is used around the world by girls as temporary ornaments instead of the original ones for parties, functions, etc. And it is also not waterproof and can be washed away at any time, anywhere. The next one and the most excited one is the neon henna, also called UV henna, and it is actually not a henna. It is glowing dark temporary henna tattoos, perfect for music festivals, nightclubs, or just our own after dark amusements. It is not from a henna plant, and it is merely a UV henna painted on with special type of temporary body paint that glows under black light, and it is not waterproof and it is washable, and it is more common in Middle East. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for subscribing. Bye.